we're very disappointed with the budget because when you look at the overall package and strip out the temporary measures, and by temporary measures, those are the one-off payments, such as the fuel allowance, the invalidity pension, the blind pension, the double child benefit, the newborn payment, and the Christmas bonus, for example. The bulk of those are going to be paid before Christmas, and they're temporary, which means people on fixed incomes, so that's someone on a social welfare payment, a pension, a carer, someone who's unemployed. The gap between that group and people on higher incomes at the beginning of next year is going to grow because the changes in tax go to those on higher incomes, and they're greater than the changes in core social welfare rates. So we're really disappointed with that. And this is another regressive budget, and the legacy of this government has been actually 5 regressive budgets when you take out those temporary measures, and not enough consideration was given as to how to address, given the resources that government had, how to address the structural inequalities that we have in the country. Tosaíonn agus na cháilí ar íseal income, tá sí tréite ríise an rialtas, mar rin an rialtas na bottom céine san nearna siad an áirí agus a fiche fés dó, mar tá sí dig bra ar barta ein óra an chuid is mó dana barta tá Deireadh ar cháilí agus daoine tá income íseal is barta ein óra iad. Agus, tá sé soléir galore, níl tuin an 5 gan an income of it agat réite le barta ein óra agus tá tá díma áing mar bhí a lán agad acu agus bhí dóí níos fearr leis an agad seo a chaibh agus droháin sin méadú in sna hiiciachtaí lasa ho síle cúigus a €50 a leid seachtain, €5 €20 ar an lúntas lani mar hampla agus arc ar in the daoine agus an Charlie guitar pá íseal agus conas atá tú contact the hort an a Charlie agus na daoine sin agus sin tríd credfasna cánach a siíachta sin na rudí a bhí ann chun déanamh contact the hort a daoine ar íseal income ach ní ró siad sa cánáisnéis agus so tá díma áing agus a ríis is na daoine agus a Charlie atá immochtanas agus atá extracult is iad san na daoine a mé extracult a ríis 50 fés cúige.